Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a get ready with me for you guys, and I'm so excited because I show you guys my makeup, my hair, and also 4 outfit options this time, which I'm really excited about. I want to get more into doing more outfit options and styling videos, so let me know down in the comments below if that's something you guys would want to see. All of my outfits in this video are actually from Nasty Gal, so I'm going to have all of them linked down below, and I'll be talking through all of my outfit options a little bit later on in the video once we've done my makeup and hair. So I'm super excited about that. All of the outfits are great for the summertime or springtime. You might want to switch some of the items up if you're going to a really hot country, but for the UK, these are perfect. Yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys this full get ready with me. So if you guys do want to see how I achieve my makeup, hair, and outfit, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so it's time to get ready, and I've started off with clean skin, and I'm going to be going through my normal prepping process before makeup. So I'm taking the Milk Makeup Watermelon Serum. I love this, it's so hydrating. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using my normal moisturizer, and this is from the Body Shop. This is the Vitamin E Moisture Cream, and this is just my go-to everyday process. I have been using this for so long, and I really love it because it's so hydrating. So once I apply this all over, I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel Insta Flawless Primer, and this is kind of like a BB cream, but it doesn't really give much coverage. I just use it because it kind of evens out my skin tone, just because the skin on my face is usually lighter than the rest of my body. I don't know why my face just doesn't really tan that well, even though I'm not really tanned anyway. It's just always lighter. I don't know why. But yeah, I use this underneath my makeup, and it's really great because it works as a primer, but it's also, yeah, just like a nice way to even everything out before foundation. And I'm going to be using this foundation from Hourglass, and I've been loving this. It's actually quite full coverage, so I like to be careful not to apply too much of this. And I'm actually using a Hourglass brush to apply this as well, and this is a really nice brush. It blends everything in really nicely. So this has been a really nice foundation that I've been loving lately, just because it's quite full coverage and you don't need a lot of it. So I'm just using that brush to apply it all over, and use like generally a small amount because you don't need that much. And then I'm going to be using some concealer underneath my eyes. This is the NARS creamy, I always say this wrong, Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just using my finger to blend this in to make my under eyes look nice and bright. I'm also going to be using this on my lid as well, just because I don't typically like to apply a lot of eye primer, especially when I'm not doing too much on the eyes. I am going to be using eyeshadow today, but normally a little bit of concealer and setting it is good enough for me. So I'm going to be taking this powder from It's Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using this to set my whole base, just because my skin does get pretty oily, and especially in the summertime, so I need to make sure that my skin is especially mattified, more so than normal. So I'm just taking the extra time to make sure everything is nice and matte. And then I'm taking the Hoola Caramel Bronzer, which is definitely my new favorite. I've been obsessed with this whole palette. This is the Cheek Leader palette from Benefit, and I'm obsessed. It's just so nice. I love a lot of the colors in there, but Hoola Caramel is amazing, and also the highlight shade which I use from this palette is so nice. So I'm just going to be using this all around the outer perimeter of my face. I don't usually typically like to contour too much, so I'm just using a big fluffy brush to give my skin a general bronze all over. And then taking a small angled brush, I'm going to be contouring my nose also. So next, moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Brow Conditioning Primer, I think it's called, from Benefit, first of all, just to set my brows into place. And whilst that's drying, I'm going to move on to my eyes. Now what I'm going to be doing for my eyeshadow today is actually taking the Sandstorm palette from RIMMEL, which, by the way, I'm obsessed with. I literally love this palette. The colors are amazing, and especially for summer. I'm taking this warm orangey brown shade, and I'm just going to be using it in my crease. I'm keeping the eyes fairly simple just because, I don't know, I honestly, most of the time these days, I don't like to go too crazy on the eyeshadow. I'm just going to be taking as well this warm brown shade, and then I'm going to be taking that and applying a very small amount of this to the outer V area. And then I am going to be taking a little bit more of a gold shade, which I don't typically tend to use gold shades that often anymore, and I'm going to be using this on my lid. I just think this is so nice. It's really glam but really simple at the same time. And then I'm going to be going in with the rest of my eyebrows. So I'm taking this pencil from It's Cosmetics, and I really love this. Since lightening my hair, I've kind of been unsure of what to do with my eyebrows, because sometimes they can look a little bit heavy when my root is, like, my root is still dark, but my hair is just a little bit lighter, so eyebrows make such a difference. So this color is really nice. I think it's like a universal color. And then finally, to set the brows into place, I'm going to be taking this 24-hour brow gel from Benefit also. Next, I'm going to be moving on to eyelashes, and I'm going to be taking the Lily Lashes in Miami. These are such a good, like, staple pair of lashes, and I just feel like, on me anyway, they look nice and wispy, and they're definitely full, but they're not too over the top personally, so I really love these, and I just feel like they enhance the eyes just enough without it being too over the top. So I used the mascara first of all, and then I applied the lashes, and then I used a little bit of eyeliner to just fill in any of the little gaps that may be between my natural lashes and the false ones. And next I'm going to be applying that highlight shade I was talking about from the Benefit palette, and I'm obsessed. Like, this is a little bit more of a pinkish bright shade in comparison to what I normally wear, but I'm literally obsessed. So next I'm going to be moving on to my hair, and my hair's a teeny bit greasy right now, maybe a little bit more than teeny, but I really do like to make sure that I leave my hair like a good few days before washing it. Like I like to leave my hair hopefully a week between washes, but it had been a couple of days since I'd washed it and it was getting a little bit greasy, and normally I'd put it up, but I wanted to push it, so I used some dry shampoo from Bumble and Bumble, and then I'm just going to go through and straighten my hair using my GHDs. I love my GHDs. I honestly don't know what I would do without them personally. Obviously, as you guys may already know, I do have naturally curly hair, so my hair had been previously actually blow dried and straightened and everything from a couple of days ago, so I was just going over it. Obviously, the actual straightening process from curly is a lot more harder. It's a harder process for sure. If you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know, and I can show you guys how I normally do my straightening process, because it is a little bit different to how I used to do it, so definitely let me know if you want to see a video like that. And I just go through each section using my big paddle brush, which is also from GHD, and I just straighten through all of the sections. And I actually wanted to have my hair tucked behind my ears because it was a little bit greasy, and it looked perfect. It looks nice and shiny and healthy, not greasy at all. Next up, I'm just going to be lining my lips, and I'm using, of course, my Rimmel Cappuccino. It's my everyday lip liner. I can't stop using it. If you find something better, then please let me know. And then I'm just going to be using this lip gloss from NARS, and I'm obsessed. It's actually this really pretty gold glittery gloss, and you can't really see it on camera, but it looks so nice in person. And that is the end of the makeup look. So now we're going to get into the outfits. So outfit option number one is something a little bit more laid back and casual. They're all kind of casual, but this one is really nice. I'm loving the mom jeans, and paired with this white t-shirt tied in a knot. The print is really pretty because it's got that Renaissance style art on it, which I'm obsessed with. Paired with this belt, and then the shoes that I ended up pairing it with was just a white pair of trainers, and I'm obsessed. So just a reminder, guys, that all of the outfit options can be found from Nasty Gal, and all of the links will be down below, so be sure to check out the description box so that you can get your hands on these items. Next up, for outfit option number two, this is something a little bit more edgy, and I really love this. So I have these cargo style pants paired with this really gorgeous belt, and also like the mixture of chains are just so cool. I also paired this with the white t-shirt tied up in a knot with the red print, and then to go with that, I also paired this with the white trainers, and I just think this looks so cool, but it's something a little bit different as well. Next up, for outfit option number three, we're going to go for something including a little bit of camo and some boots. I love this. I paired it with a bandeau to keep it kind of glam at the same time as it being a little bit more casual, and I'm just obsessed. I feel like showing the shoulders and everything is just so perfect for summer, but the bottom half is still really casual and cool at the same time. So as you guys know, the first three outfits are definitely very me, but the last option is still me, but just a little bit girlier, you know, just stepping out my comfort zone a little bit. I paired this really pretty satin effect slip dress with a denim jacket. It's just such a simple option because not only will it keep you cool, look really nice and feminine, but you can also pair this with either some boots or trainers, and I feel like it will really make it look a little bit more casual and definitely more wearable. So guys, that's the end of this Get Ready With Me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing 4 outfit options this time instead of just one like I normally do in a normal Get Ready With Me. Not only will all of the outfits be linked down below, but I'll also be listing all of the makeup products that I used in this video, as well as the hair products as well, if you are interested. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.